GE, General Electric, huge
General
company
Electrics.
here. Let's find out who we're going to talk to right now as we jump in jump in here in just a second. He's currently in the middle of talking right now. We'll see if we can get an interview here. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you for talking with us. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name's Ben Salter. I'm the Naval Sales Director for GE Power Conversion. And this is my colleague Steve.
And I'm Steve Rogers. I'm the Director of Marketing and Business Development for GE Marine.
Perfect. Well, GE is a massive company. Can you tell us a little bit about the marine segment of GE?
Sure. So GE Marine is a division of GE Aerospace, and we're a leading manufacturer of marine gas turbines from 4 megawatts to 53 megawatts. And Ben handles our power conversion business as well.
Okay. So power conversion is the electric side of the General Electric. So we do the electric propulsion of naval vessels and also other electric-related products such as our electromagnetic catapult launcher.
Well, you have a few things on display behind me and over there. Can you show us a little bit of what you brought for MADEX 2023?
Sure. Okay. If we start with this, this is showing a kind of subset of an electric propulsion system, starting with a gas turbine, the LM2500 that Steve will explain more about later. But going through the power that comes out of that engine is turned into electricity by this generator here. The generator produces electric power that's distributed around the whole ship, used for all ship functions, not just limited to propulsion now, but that power is available for directed energy weapons, for radars, for hotel loads. But it's also taken by power electronic converters that turn that electricity into a form that's used by our advanced induction motors, multi-phase machines that deliver really quiet, smooth electric power to the shafts and drive those shafts to propel the ship. So this is a full shock capable system. It's the only system that's at sea on warships at the moment, and it's on destroyers and also the full electric aircraft carrier that we produce the power system for the UK Queen Elizabeth class.
So you're going to tell us a little bit about what that is then?
Sure.
All right. Do you mind? You got the mic there.
Yeah, sure.
So I think a lot of people are familiar with the gas turbine and what it does. One of the things that we wanted to do at this show, and one of our goals, is to highlight one of the advancements with the enclosure. So traditionally, what the enclosure is, it's steel. We're converting to composite. So the benefits of that is that it's much lighter, about 2.5 tons lighter, and it creates a much safer work environment in the engine room for the sailors. It's about 20 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit cooler outside the walls, and it's about 60% quieter.
60%?
Yeah, so we're fortunate. The U.S. Navy has commissioned this into active service with their littoral combat ships, and then also with their Flight 3 DDGs. And then we have orders with several international navies to convert their traditionally steel enclosures to now composite enclosures. So we're happy to be here to promote that advancement and the successes we're having.
So what is your purpose in Korea? You're trying to promote this and get some...
Do you work in the
government?
are you selling it to the actual shipbuilding companies here in Korea? Is it part of? Is that the main work here?
So we're really fortunate. In addition to highlighting our products, one of the things that we like to do is use these shows to re-emphasize our commitment to localization. So we have a strong partnership with Hanwha Aerospace, which is right behind us. Hanwha Aerospace is actually a co-manufacturer of the LM2500. They do the assembly, test, and are also licensed maintenance, repair, and overhaul facilities. So we're committed to localizing as well as increasing that local content here in Korea.
Great. Well, thank you so much for talking with us. Is there anything we missed before we leave?
Yeah, just mention about our electromagnetic catapult. Jaebong is leads our local engineering team here. Just going to run that for us. But basically, it's the ability to launch UAVs, which are very much an important element of what's coming up for future carrier capability. So you're going to run it on there, are you, David? So basically, as you'll see, this is the ability to take a half-ton UAV or right through to several tons of UAV, launch them very quickly, very effectively off the deck of a carrier, and that enables a high capability of potential basically in the air to get it up there very, very quickly.
Okay.
So you can launch multiple aircraft at once.
Well, thank you so much. I think we're going to have to wrap it up. Did we miss anything with you before we head out?
No, like I said, I appreciate you taking the time to come talk with us, and hope you enjoyed the show.
Thank you so much. Best of luck this week.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to move on to our...